Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be going over two Ethereum-based projects, and these are really cool projects that you want to pay attention to what I'm saying so that you can do your own research and see if it's something you like or you want to get involved in. Be sure to keep up. We're going to move fast. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. So Uniqly Token. This is a token that is based around the creation and conversion of NFTs, non-fungible tokens. And this is really cool because it allows you to take your NFT, your unique token, your blockchain, work of art, whatever you want to call it, and convert it into a real world item. You can see here the first bridge between NFT and physical products. Now this is really cool because this is a company that it's a project that wants a physical product, a physical service to its crypto members, and so it's really neat. So by owning this token, you're basically you're sharing part of this this project, sharing part of this company, sharing a part in a part of their service. So the address is in the description below for the website. Be sure to check it out. Check out the white paper. It's a really crazy, ambitious project, and it seems really fitting because NFTs are huge, guys. NFTs are big deals right now, and so this is a really forward-thinking project that is taking advantage of a powerful financial trend happening in the market. So, tokenization of physical goods. So the main aspect distinguishing us, them from other NFT platforms is the real-world authentication of collectibles via the blockchain. So each item will get its own barcode here, and that's how you will know that that item has a specific owner, has a specific blockchain ID, and was derived, in fact, from a token. That's where these barcodes will come from an actual token. So here is what the generator will look like, and you will be able to create, well, right now it says t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, masks, and many more. So these items represent your NFT, your non-fungible token. So it's a design, there's a barcode down here, and you design it. You send it in, they approve the design, you send them your NFT token, they convert the token into the product, and then they burn your token. So your token is burned after you create a physical product, and then they send you that product, and you own that product. And so basically, it takes it off of the digital, out of the digital realm and into the physical realm. This is basically a crypto medium. It's kind of like Shopify meets Amazon Warehouse meets cryptocurrency. Excuse me. So, and then there's a marketplace where you can sell or auction your goods. Okay, so that's really cool. And then also there's a reverse escrow type deal where instead of designing a product based on a token, you send a product that you've already have or already made, a work of art, a pot, whatever it is, and then they store that product in a warehouse and they digitize it. They send you a token that represents that product. And then that token can be sold, not a physical token, a digital token, an NFT. And you can sell that, you can auction it, you can transfer, it can go from user to user to user without shipping any kind of physical product. So that's really convenient, it's really powerful. And then whoever owns that digital token, that digital ID, has control over the product in the warehouse. So they have control. They can pull it out, they can burn it, sell it, whatever they want to do. I don't know why you'd want to burn it, but maybe if you're weird like that. So the materialization of NFT tokens, this is a really big deal. And there's also other use cases that might be down the road, like staking. And well, there is going to be staking. That's part of the roadmap and white paper and everything. So another thing is dividends. So 15% of the profits from unique the unique platform is paid as ETH dividends to unique holders. And then 15% of the profits from the platform are also spent to buy back and burn unique tokens, which helps the token value. And then there's exclusive collections for owners of at least 10,000 unique tokens, and those can be staked for special NFT rewards. So there's a lot. So discounts on the platform for unique holders. This is basically a utility token meets like a e-commerce website. And so this is a really, really unique idea. They really did a really good job naming their project and everything. And that's about it. Another thing I should mention is the public sale A whitelist. The public sale A over here sold out in just minutes. I mean, it was minutes that this 680,000 US dollars was raised, and it was done. That's it. And so the next is public sale B, and it has not happened yet. And you can join their last public sale whitelist. You have to enter your address so that they know your Ethereum address so that they can approve. So this is what it looks like, okay? And there's a couple of, this is to get your name, your whitelist and your name on their form so that when the sale opens, you can potentially send your ETH to them and they can send you back the token. That's how these things work. If you're already familiar with that, excellent. So you have to follow them on Twitter, retweet their pins, and tag some friends, and then join their Telegram groups. And then you'll put your name, your email, and your MetaMask address. It's highly encouraged that you use MetaMask, and because, well, it's all you're allowed to use. Please bear in mind that you will only be able to participate using a MetaMask wallet, and then your Twitter username, Telegrams, and Twitter, so that they can confirm that you did in fact complete steps 2 and 3. So that's how this works. And then any other way that you can add to the value of this, and then by doing this, they send you an email a couple hours before the sale goes public, so that you have everything you need to do that. Now, this is a really neat project. I'm really bullish on this project. As long as they stick to their roadmap, this is going to be a huge service for millions of people who are really into NFTs right now. It's a huge fad, and will it wear out? Well, of course, it'll trickle out at some point in the coming months or years or whatever. Who knows how long it'll last? But this is an amazing idea right now, and the token could boom. You have no idea what the token could do after the public sale, after it's actually listed. You have no idea. The second one, we'll jump right into it. Be sure to like and subscribe. So Basket Coin. Basket Coin is a pegged deflationary token. And what that means is it's combining the aspects of deflation, so charging transaction fees, okay, and deflation. I'm sorry, transaction fees, which is deflation, and then pegging the value of each currency to another currency, to a different, and it's a mixture of stable coins and cryptos. So it's pegged to the value of other cryptos. And this is a really ambitious project that's really cool because we're going to start with 21 million tokens, and then the final supply is, according to their plans, supposed to be 10% of that. So 90% of the tokens are expected to be burned over time. How much time? We don't know. We don't know. So it just depends on how much it's bought and sold, really. But 2% of each transaction is burned and redistributed. So 1% is actually burned, and then 1% goes to staking. And so by the time we get done, we'll have 2.1 million tokens that will be available to be redeemed by all of the liquidity, all of the pegging system that was generated by the 21 million. So every token that's redeemed just kind of drops out. It just drops out. And that means more value for the tokens that are left. So that's really, really cool. It's a very innovative token, as it says right here, innovation of token. And I highly recommend you go here and check out the whitelist. The white paper. And down here at the bottom, we can see what the coverage looks like, the security chart looks like. So 25% of each token is connected to Bitcoin value, 25% is connected to Ethereum, and then 10% for Polkadot, Smart Key, DAI, USD Coin, Basket Coin, or YF DAI, I should say. So this is really cool, and it just means that every time you redeem a token, you're going to get a mixture of these coins, which is great price exposure, first of all. And I don't know, the liquidity there is pretty cool. And then with deflation, with the deflationary aspects, that's really neat. So this sale, the public sale, is actually going on right now and is going to close in 9 days. So it closes in April 4th, 2021 at 6 p.m. And you can see here it's well underway. And so it's got about a week left, a little over a week left. And I highly encourage you guys to check this out. So that's it for the video today. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Make good decisions. Talk to you next time.